This is not financial advice, not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, these banks, in my opinion, are having liquidity issues. And in order to make up for these liquidity issues, they're engaging in conduct that I would consider criminal, but that is not my job. I don't work for the DOJ or the FBI. But what they are doing is, which it seems like fraud to me, JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and other banks are actually taking their clients' money that's sitting there, telling the clients it's in some low interest bearing account, and then they're taking the money and putting it in an account that's paying a whole lot more, but the money is not being given to the clients, okay? It's a cash sweep program that seems to be inherent in all of the major banks. They're using their clients' money to make billions of dollars in profit, and they give the clients nothing. It is now turning into what is going to be a big class action lawsuit. But here's the thing. Do you think in any other industry you would give your property to someone, they have a fiduciary responsibility to take care of it, and then they take your property and they utilize it in ways that you didn't give them permission to so that they can make a profit? Do you think if a 1%er did this to another 1%er, would the DOJ or the FBI already be doing an investigation? Of course they would. Of course they would. What I've learned over the last 36 months is this. Financial crimes are tolerated as long as the people losing money are retail investors, are pension funds, or institutions that follow the rules. The other 1%ers are not allowed to rob other 1%ers. The regulatory agencies, the law enforcement agencies step in right away to make sure that they play fair with each other. But when the 1%ers want to engage in activity that costs retail investors money, that costs pension funds money, that costs institutions that follow the rules money, nothing ever happens. It usually ends up with civil lawsuits by us. Civil lawsuits by us in order to get justice. The 1%ers, they don't need civil lawsuits. They don't need to hire lawyers because the DOJ and the FBI and the SEC is going to step in and make sure the other 1%ers are treating them fairly. But we have nobody that's going to protect us to make sure we are treated fairly. We have to take them to court. And that's one of the reasons why I was forced to file a lawsuit against the SEC, Citadel, FINRA, and all the other bad actors, because we can't depend on the SEC, the DOJ, the FBI to protect us when these bad actors violate the law. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that if this cash sweep program they were doing was taking advantage of other 1%ers, do you think the DOJ, the FBI would have stepped in a long time ago and shut it down? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.